Hey guys, Sean here with Brick Mayhem, and today what I'll be doing is building the Emperor's Throne Room. This is a set that was released on May the 4th, 2023 in collaboration with Star Wars Day. I find this to be a cool set piece, and also a cool display set. This guy has 807 pieces. Its set number is 75352. This guy comes with Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader, and Emperor Palpatine. This throne room can be found on both Death Stars, but this one is from Death Star 2, where Luke and Darth Vader battle each other, and Darth Vader ends up killing Emperor Palpatine. So here's the back. I really like how they compare the two pictures here of the movie versus Lego. It's hard to read, but it's going to be 21 centimeters or 8 inches long and 6.5 inches high. So that's about. On this side, you got this Palpatine by himself. That's actually a pretty cool picture of just him. Let me zoom in here. There he is. That is a pretty cool picture of just him. And on the other side, there's nothing much there. Nothing on the bottom. And on the top, that's Luke. So now we shall crack into this and see what we have. Alright, now the build is complete and it's time for my review on the Emperor's Throne. I am already liking it. This was a fun build. This thing looks almost, I don't know why I'm saying almost, looks exactly like the throne room in the movie. This one came with the 40 years of Return of the Jedi. Can't believe it's been 40 years since that's first released. Comes with a little plaque, I am a Jedi, like my father before me. That is Luke Skywalker saying that. The best part of this whole set is actually this whole window right here. Here's Emperor's Palpatine's throne. Is this, I don't know, there's really no words to describe it, to be honest. That's how much I really enjoy it. So we'll take a look at the sides. Really liking the little vents here. They're going all the way around. So this is the back side of the window. This wasn't too, sorry, I got bricks going around. This wasn't too difficult to put together. Looks like it might be a little difficult, but not at all. Not even for a person with essential tremors like myself. Let's see, I don't remember what these are. I haven't seen Star Wars in quite some time. I guess I should learn my Star Wars stuff a little bit more. Alright, so here we have a Luke Skywalker. I am loving the detail on the body. Like how he has his one covered glove where he ended up getting a robotic hand after Darth Vader cut his hand off. Turning around, got his lightsaber. There's not much to see on the back. I think he has another face. Yeah, he has another face on the back. And there he is. He is not happy there. So now we'll move on to Darth Vader. Alright, so here's Darth Vader. He too came with a lightsaber. Loving the detail on his chest. There's nothing to show on his back, it's all blank because of his cape. He looks all proud and mighty. Well, he is a proud and mighty character. Not sure. I gotta watch Star Wars films. I'm not sure if he's right-handed or left-handed. So, lastly, we'll move on to the last minifigure. And here is Palpatine. I think this is my favorite out of this one whole set. Well, probably for a couple reasons, because this is actually my first Palpatine figure. Emperor Palpatine. I really like the hood. There's nothing really interesting on his back, again, because his cape, like Vader. His body looks like he's wearing a cloak of some kind. Now this figure came with these little electric things here. It looks like he's using the Force to attack with. He came with two of them. But like I said, I'm loving the detail. Lego definitely goes all out in the detail of a lot of things. So, alright guys, so this is it for this video of the Emperor's Throne. Stay tuned for more exciting videos of more exciting, awesome builds and more stop motion videos that I have coming up. If you are new to Lego and or want to see more videos, please hit that notification. Please hit that subscribe button, and always don't forget to comment and like this video, because it's doing all three things. Help out the channel a whole bunch for the future of Brick Mayhem. Alright, thank you for watching. Until next time.